Charges dropped. That is what former President Donald Trump's attorney wants in relation to Georgia's 2020 election results.
And as we wait for the judge's decision tonight, 11 Alive's Molly Oak is live outside the courthouse tonight to break down what happened inside the courtroom.
Yeah, live outside Fulton County Courthouse this morning, you all, where prosecutors and defense are back at it again with the Georgia's 2020 election interference case involving former President Donald Trump and more than a dozen others. Now, former president was not in attendance today. An attorney representing him was, along with attorneys representing Georgia's Republican Party chairman, the former one at that. Now, today they made 3 different motions they argued about throughout the morning. Court is back in session in Fulton County. This time, attorneys representing former President Donald Trump and former Georgia Republican Party Chairman David Schaefer addressed 3 motions.
What we have heard here today is an attempt to rewrite the indictment, to take out the parts that are inconvenient and only say, well, it's all speech, it's all talking.
The first, prosecutors say Schaefer played a role in advancing a false slate of presidential electors while trying to overturn Georgia's results of the 2020 presidential election. Schaefer's attorneys argue he was just following the advice of legal counsel. The second motion, Schaefer's attorneys are asking the court to get rid of any language related to false electoral votes from the indictment.
And your argument is that this is core political speech.
Correct.
So some crimes can be achieved solely through speech, though. Terroristic threats, solicitation. Why is that not what's happening here?
And finally, former President Trump's attorney is asking the court to dismiss the indictment against Mr. Trump, arguing that what prosecutors say is criminal conduct is actually political speech protected by the First Amendment.
It's unconstitutional to force an accused, be it the President of the United States, former President, or anyone else, to stand trial on protected speech.
To say we can't mention this particular act or this particular conduct because it's not a crime or it's protected by the First Amendment, the answer to that is actually, so what?
Now, court adjourned just after 11:30 today. As of now, we don't have a timeline on when we'll get Judge Scott McAfee's decision. We'll keep you updated as we learn more. Reporting live in Fulton County, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.
And obviously, we're